Simpra Inventory Delivery Note Purchases. In order to enter and organize the purchases made into the system, the Purchase Return module is entered under Purchasing. Here, purchases can be listed according to document types. The entries of purchases that are recorded as purchases with an unrecorded delivery note are found under the Purchases tab. The purchases that appear as a red warning next to the Purchases screen are the documents that have not yet been saved. The other documents on the Purchases page are the documents saved as purchase with delivery note. If desired, date and supplier filters can also be applied. Purchases can be viewed. Press the Add Purchase Entry button to start the purchase entry. On the screen that appears, we first select the supplier to enter the purchase. For example, Metro. We write the purchase number. We enter the date of our purchase from the purchase date. If we are going to use the purchase list, we can select the purchase list here. The tax field is the field where we choose whether to enter the prices of the stocks that we will make purchase entries, including or excluding tax. If it is selected as excluded, the products in the invoice entered must be entered in the amount excluding VAT. If tax included is selected, the price values of the related stocks should be entered at the tax included amount. Let's make our entry excluding tax and press the Add Purchase Entry button. When we say Add Purchase Entry, our delivery note will appear in the status of being saved on the backside. On the incoming screen, we first select which store we will make our purchase. For example, let's take the main store. Then we select the stock items in our delivery note. Let's say, can of Fanta. The VAT rate defined for the related stock will be selected. If the VAT rate is different, we can change it again from this field. We enter our purchase amount in the quantity section. In the unit section, we select the purchase unit. If desired as a unit, other subunits previously linked to the base unit in units will also appear. For example, in 2 parcels. I'm logging in. Let the parcel cost 25 euros. And in this field, I can see the row total. In the net basic unit price, it brings me how much a can of Fanta is priced. If there is any discount on the related stock item, this discount percentage can be defined in the first discount field. And then it will be active in the second discount area. When I say Add Purchase Detail, our related document will be waiting to be saved. We can enter purchases for more than one store connected to the same properties on the same document. For example, we entered the Fanta can to the main store. This time, we can add one more stock item and enter it to our kitchen store. Let's choose a can of Coke as an example. 24 boxes as a unit. In 3 parcels. Let's write 25 euro in the unit price. We brought our line total, made our checks, and pressed the Add Purchase Detail button. If all the information we have entered is correct, after checking the store VAT amounts and amounts entered, when we say Save the Purchase, it will ask us to choose whether it is a purchase with delivery note or an invoiced purchase. Let's make our registration as a purchase with delivery note. And our products have now entered our stocks. If we want to correct a stock in the purchase with delivery note that we have previously recorded, we click on the relevant document. And we come to the 3 dots next to the relevant stock item. Let's say we are going to edit a can of Fanta. Click the Edit button. Press it. If the entry is made from the wrong stock, we will have to make the quantity 0 and save it. The system will not allow us to completely delete a saved delivery note. After making the relevant stock card 0 to the quantity and pressing Finish Edit, we need to re-enter the correct stock card by saying Add Stock Card again. For example, to the main store, we'll buy a box of iced tea. And we press the Add Purchase Detail button. In this way, we can make our correction by entering the stock card. If the document date and delivery note number are entered incorrectly in the relevant delivery note, we will need to make the quantity part of all stocks in the delivery note 0, since the system will not delete the delivery note. We can only delete our documents in unsaved document status by coming to 3 points.